I'm Josh Seberg, and this is Raising the Bar. I'm the head spirit writer for Distinction Magazine and Virginia Growler, and I've spent the better part of the last decade running bars, training bartenders, and teaching people how to make better cocktails. There are a few things quite so nice as a perfect gin martini. But what happens if you don't have ice? We're going to show you how to make a classically stirred cocktail just by knowing the ingredients that you're using and the wash line of your glass, or where you want the drink to sit. So for this example, we're going to use a classic gin martini. First, you'll need a cocktail glass, ideally one that you know your known wash line. Next, we're going to add the ingredients that we know the volumes of. First, 2 ounces of dry gin. Next, an ounce of a dry or blanc vermouth. And then for my martinis, I like to add a dash of orange bitters. Now all that's left is to get the perfect dilution. Think of dilution as a target. You're trying to hit the bullseye to get a perfect drink, but there's an arc around it where if you're a little over or a little under, it's not going to ruin your cocktail. Fill the glass with water to the wash line. Then all that's left to do is store it in the freezer, that's your chill part, until you have a perfect cocktail. Now all that's left is to garnish. Olives or twist, your choice, whatever's clever. As long as you know the recipe that goes in and the wash line you want, you can experiment with this until all your stirred cocktails can be made without ice. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. For more information, you can read my articles in Distinction Magazine and Virginia Growler, or for direct questions and to follow my pop-up, catch me on Instagram at Model Citizen Cocktails.